Okay, picture this. You look up through a powerful telescope at Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, and you see something strange. It almost looks like a comet, a glowing tail stretching out behind it. Wait, a planet with a tail? That doesn't make sense, right? Well, Mercury is full of surprises. Today, we're diving into one of the quirkiest features of our solar system's innermost planet, Mercury's comet like tail. It's real, it's fascinating, and it tells us a lot about how harsh and extreme space can be. So, here's the deal. Unlike Earth, Mercury doesn't really have an atmosphere. It's too small, and the Sun is just way too close. Instead, it has something called an exosphere. Think of it as a very thin cloud of particles floating around the planet. Not enough to breathe, not enough to trap heat, but enough to interact with sunlight in dramatic ways. But how does that create a tail? I mean, planets aren't supposed to trail light like comets, are they? It turns out Mercury is constantly being blasted by the solar wind. Streams of charged particles coming from the sun. These particles hit Mercury's surface and kick up atoms, especially sodium. Now, sodium is interesting because when sunlight hits it, it glows with a yellow-orange hue, and the solar wind pushes these glowing sodium atoms away from Mercury, forming, you guessed it, a tail. Here's the crazy part. This tail is millions of kilometers long. That means if you lined up Earth and the Moon in that glowing sodium stream, Mercury's tail could stretch far beyond both of them. And yet, because it's so faint, you can't see it with your naked eye. You'd need special instruments to spot it. Think of it like dust in your living room. In normal light, you don't see much. But when a beam of sunlight cuts through the window, suddenly all those particles light up. That's Mercury's tail. Invisible until sunlight hits it just right. And here's another kicker. The tail isn't always the same. It changes depending on Mercury's position in its orbit, and sometimes it even looks brighter, almost like Mercury itself is pretending to be a comet just for a moment. Makes you wonder, what else are we missing when we glance at these planets from afar? So next time you hear someone call Mercury boring because it's just a small rocky ball next to the sun, tell them about the invisible comet tail trailing behind it. A reminder that even the smallest, closest planet in our solar system has its own cosmic magic trick. And I'll leave you with this question. If Mercury has a tail, what other hidden surprises might be waiting out there in plain sight? If you enjoyed this little space mystery, hit the like button and share it with a fellow curious mind. And of course, subscribe for more stories about the universe that make you go,